Bliss Celebration teacups are a perfect addition to your kitchen decor and great for entertaining. Enjoy your favorite tea or coffee in these handcrafted cups. The clear double-wall glass design gives your drink a new dimension and adds more fun to each sip. The glass helps withstand extreme temperatures, protects from scratches, and even stays clear. The double-walled glass ensures that your tea stays hot while the outer glass stays cool to touch. Celebrate moments with your guests with the Celebration teacups. Take your tea experience to another level with Teabloom's Clarity Teacups. There's something about crafting a perfect cup of tea that puts our mind at ease. The Clarity Teacups are beautifully handcrafted to assist you in brewing the perfect cup of tea. Not only are they gorgeous to look at, but they are also durable and will last you years of everyday tea making. The double-wall glass ensures your tea stays hot longer and the outer glass stays cool to touch. Make every cup of tea an experience with the Clarity Teacups. If you love to entertain with a cup of tea or coffee, the Classica glass cups are the perfect ones for you. Not only are they durable, but they will surely catch the attention of all your guests. The double-walled glass ensures that your tea stays hot even longer and the outer glass stays cool to touch. These cups are durable, easy to clean, and are also dishwasher and microwavable safe. Complete the look with the Classica teapot and experience tea drinking to a whole nother level. If you love tea, then you will surely fall in love with the clear Bliss glass teacups. The double-walled glass keeps hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold longer. These tall cups can fit a standard tea infuser or enjoy watching one of Teabloom's flowering teas blossom right before your eyes. The extra thick glass is lightweight yet durable, and unlike ceramic or plastic, it never absorbs taste, odors, or stains, so you can fully enjoy the taste of your drink. The Bliss glass teacups are a must-have for all the tea or coffee lovers out there. Whether you love your drink hot or cold, you will fall in love with the look and functionality of the Milano Teacups. The double-wall glass ensures your tea stays hot longer and the outer glass stays cool to the touch. The flared lip design delivers beverage flavors to your entire palate, allowing you to taste the full spectrum of your drink. These cups are extra thick for durability and temperature stability, yet lightweight in the hand. The glass design elevates your experience beyond simply drinking tea, delivering a feast for all the senses. Enjoy making the perfect cup with the Milano Teacups. The Milano teaware is a blend of sleek and modern, tied with a unique look of traditional Turkish teacups. The double-wall glass ensures your tea stays hot longer and the outer glass stays cool to the touch. The flared lip design delivers beverage flavors to your entire palate, allowing you to taste the full spectrum of your drink, whether that be coffee, teas, juice, and many more. Not only are they beautiful, but they are also very durable. The Milano cups will surely enhance your drink experience. The perfect teacups for entertaining, you will love Teabloom's modern classic insulated cups. Its sleek design makes them perfect cups to go with any teapots. The outer wall always stays cool and the extra large handle ensures a comfortable, safe grip. These cups are lightweight yet very durable, and with the double wall glass, you can be sure to have your drink stay hot a lot longer. Enjoy every day the full tasting experience with these classic cups.